Dear students, today we will study exercise 8.2. The first question, a man got 10% increase in his salary. His new salary is rupees 1,54,000. Find his original salary. Question 1. New salary is equal to rupees 1,54,000. Percentage of increase 10%, and we have to find the original salary. This question can be done in two ways. First, if new salary is rupees 110, then original salary is equal to rupees 100. If new salary is rupee 1, then original salary is equal to rupees 100 divided by 110. This is called unitary method. If new salary is rupees 1,54,000, then the original salary is rupees 100 upon 110 into 1,54,000. We can cancel a 0, then we can divide these two numbers by 11. This 154 is a multiple of 11. Here you should know the test of divisibility for 11. 1 and 4 is 11. Sorry, 1 and 4 is 5. And 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore, this number is divisible by 11. 11, 1 the 11, 11, 1 the 11, 11, 4 the. And we have two zeros. And if we multiply them, we get the answer 1,40,000. Two zeros over here and two over here. This is the method of arithmetic without using a variable. This should be solved like this. But it can also be solved in another way using algebraic method. Let the original salary be rupees X, then X plus 10%. This is the 10% of X plus 10% of X. This is the increase in the salary, and the new salary will be 1,54,000. X plus 10 by 100 X is equal to 154,000. 11x by 10 is equal to 154,000. X is equal to 1,54,000 into 10 divided by 11. 11 1 the 11 4 and 3 zeros. x is equal to rupees 1,40,000. This is the second method. In this method we have used algebra. Okay, now we come to question number 2. On Sunday 845 people went to zoo. 845 people went to zoo. On Monday only 169 people. Number of visitors on Sunday. Question 2. Number, NO dot is number of visitors on Monday decrease in the number of visitors is equal to 845 minus 169. 845 169. 15 minus 9 is 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. It's 676. मंडे को 845 विजिटर्स थे, सॉरी संडे को, मंडे को 169, दोनों का डिफरेंस है 676. 676 विजिटर्स कम थे मंडे को. हमें इसका परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है. परसेंटेज ऑफ डिक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स इज इक्वल टू, कितने डिक्रीज हुए? 676 अपॉन 845 into 100. Here we have to understand one thing very clearly. Why we are putting this number 845 in denominator? Why not this one? जब भी कभी हम कोई परसेंटेज निकालते हैं, इंक्रीज का हो या डिक्रीज का हो, जो इनिशियल क्वांटिटी है उसे हम बेस मानते हैं, उसको कंपेयर करते हैं. यहाँ पर 845 हमको रखना होगा. ओरिजिनल इतने रजिस्टर थे, इतने डिक्रीज हो गए इनटू 100%. ओके, वी कैंसिल दीज टू नंबर्स बाय 5. 20. 5 1 the 5, 34. 3 is carried, 34. 6 times 4, 9. And this number should be 4 times of this number, because we have 6 in the end. We can check it in rough. 169 into 4. 4 9 is 36. 3 is carried. 24. 27. 2 is carried. 6. Okay, it's 4 times. 4 into 20 is 80. There is a decrease of 80% in the number of visitors on Monday. This brings us to question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for 240 rupees. Question 3. CP means cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2,400 and sells them from a profit of 16%. Profit percent is equal to 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So here we have to keep in mind the cost price is for 80 articles and we need to find selling price for only one article. ऐसा हम ध्यान में रखकर हम सबसे पहला काम ये करते हैं, हम वन आर्टिकल की कॉस्ट प्राइस पता करेंगे. CP of one article is equal to 2080 divided by 2400 divided by 80. Cost price of one article is 30 rupees. Now we have to find the selling price of one article. SP, selling price of one article, is equal to इसमें हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे सेलिंग प्राइस का 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट अपॉन 100 इंटू सीपी. 100 plus 16%, 16 upon 100 into 30. We can cancel a 0 over here. 106 into 3 divided by 10. This is a rather easy calculation. We will do it here, over here. We have to multiply 3 by 106. 3 6 the 18, 3 divided by 10. So it should be 31 rupees 80 paise. This is the answer of third question. We should use the sign for rupees over here. Okay, this is the finally, this is the answer. Now we come to question number 4. The cost, I am sorry, this question number 4. No, this was question number 3. Now we come to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. The cost of an article was 15,500. 15,500. And 450 were spent on the repair. 450 spent on repair. We have to add these two numbers. 50951. 15,950. यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में हम इस चैप्टर के एंड में जो फॉर्मूले दिए वहां पर आप देख लीजिए. हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं. CP is equal to buying price plus overhead expenses. It is at पेज नंबर 135. ये बाइंग प्राइस है और ये ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस है. ये दोनों ऐड करके हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस मिल गई. ओके. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, percentage of profit percent is equal to 15%. Find the selling price. We have to find the selling price of the article. The formula for selling price is 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 into cost price is equal to 100 plus 15 upon 100 into 15950. 15,950. We can cancel 1 0 over here. Then 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 5 1 the 5 5 9 the 45. We have 115 into 319 divided by 2. So we have to carry out these multiplication and division. 319 divided by 115. We are multiplying these two numbers. Why I have placed 115 in the second line? Because when we multiply, we have to multiply by 1. That is one advantage, and it is repeated. Two lines will be same. It will be a lot easier. 5 9 the 45. 4 is carried. 5 and 4 9. 5 3 the 15. Put a cross over here. 9 1 3. Double cross. 9 1 3. 5 8. 1 is carried. 6 7. 7 and 9 16. 16. 1 is carried. 2 5 6 3. So we have 3 6 6 8 5 divided by 2, and we will write the answer over here. When we divide this number by 2, divide by 2 1 8 16. 6 is carried 3 times. 6 8 4 times. 8, 8 4 times, then 5 2 times 0.5. Okay, we get 18. Okay, the answer is correct. We get rupees 18,342.5. We have to write a 0 over here, because when we write any amount in Indian currency, so the decimal in rupees will have two places. पैसे को हम दो प्लेस में लिखते हैं, एक प्लेस में नहीं लिख सकते. We have to put a 0 over here. This is the answer of question number 4. That's all for today. We will solve the other questions in the next exercise. See you soon. Thank you.